Hi everyone, this is Jose for On Tour, and today we take flight to one of New York's newest neighborhoods, the Hudson Yards. The Hudson Yards, New York's most recent up-and-coming neighborhood. When I was a kid growing up in New York City, this was simply the parking spot for the Long Island Railroad trains. So what is the Vessel? As someone who went to school for art, it's a design accomplishment. It's an interactive structure with stairs and lands, about 2,500 of them. So it'll be a long way up. So we're here at the Vessel. We got a lot of steps to climb. We'll see how high this guy goes. Woo! Here at the High Line, the best place to take a couple of minutes and recharge because there's a lot of walking involved. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes and make sure you check the weather. It's a lot warmer than I expected. So we're here at the High Line, definitely a unique piece of art. This is where the past meets the future. At one point, this was an interconnected freight train system that used to deliver goods, materials, and food throughout the warehouses in the area. As the trucking system picked up, the High Line kind of went sour and was forgotten by New York City. In 1999, a non-profit was formed to revitalize the High Line and turn it into what it is today. They told me that this elevator is going to take 52 seconds to get me to the 100th floor, and I feel like going really fast right now. This is awesome. I feel like I'm levitating off the ground, and this music is just enhancing the experience. And I'm the only one here. All right, let's go to the sky. Such a peaceful view. You can't get this anywhere. New York never stops being amazing and never stops being beautiful. I had to throw on the mask for social distancing, but I haven't been this high since 1999 when I went to the World Trade Center. That was the 111th floor, and now here we are in the 100th floor. So we're here at the top of the deck, and it looks like there's a party. There's a lot of folks here ready to see all of New York City and the surrounding states. It's wonderful up here. A little sunny because we're so high, but it's definitely breathtaking. This is Jose for On Tour. Always amazed at what New York City has to offer. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe and don't forget to look at the links below for more information about the places I went to. Until next time. Time for dinner, New York style.